Okay, welcome to my channel. Just a short disclaimer before I start. All my videos are for educational purpose and all of them, from my opinion, none of them are financial advice. So do your research. I'm showing you how to set up your communication channels as a beginner in the Web3 space or somebody willing to join the Web3 and I don't know what to do. There are major communication channels in the Web3 that everyone will have to have so that you can connect with the right audience, get ideas, send messages, and get information that you need. You need your Twitter, which is now called X. Check on your App Store, Apple Store, Play Store, or the Microsoft Store. Download the app, or you go on the browser using the x.com. Create an account, sign up for an account, put the details. I'll be showing you how to set up an S account today. Setting up an S account needs a banner, a very good banner, because how your account looks determine how people rate. If I come into your account and I see you take this picture here to use as your banner, just know that you're joking, you don't know what you're doing. You take this logo, this is my logo here, to use as your banner. I know that what you're doing, you don't know what you're doing. So shall be showing you to create a good Twitter banner. Come to your Canva, download your Canva on your App Store, Play Store, Apple Store, or you can use the browsers I'm using. Go to your Canva. Under your template, search for Twitter banner. This is already made Twitter banner made for you. This already made Twitter banner. As you can see, this is already made, so you can check for here. This sign here shows for only people with pro version. If you have a pro version, you can use this. I'm using pro at the moment, so if you are new, I know you might not be using pro. It costs almost $33 to pay for the pro, so you might not be using pro. So just look for the ones that are cheap, that are not pro. Just come and see something good coming. Yeah, this is like a very good one. I'll show you what I mean. This is like a very good Twitter banner. Without a pro, you can customize on that, make it your own version. Then tap on it, customize this template. I'll be very fast with this, so just go try and learn fast, or you can use your YouTube to learn how to create good Twitter banners, or use your ChatGPT. Will be guiding you on any steps you miss in this video. Just try to watch fast and understand better fast. This is the template I'm using. I don't like this, not my image, so I'll delete it off. Come to your upload. If you don't have your logo, that is logo you are using for your brand, on this platform, on the Canva, you can upload your files to upload it. I already have my logo down here. I'll tap on it, take it over here, places the place that image was there. Now the banner represents my brand. I don't like all this shit here. Delete it off. Just make your banner simple, as just need some few words to make it catchy. Don't need to do a lot of things. If you can't design, you can pay for graphic designers to brand your accounts for you, set up your banner and all that. I don't need all this. I don't like all this. I don't like all these things. Then you can add just a short text box. This is a text box. You'll be thinking of what to write here. You don't know what to write. Depending on your niche you are up into Web3. Some of you are traders, some of you are Web3 jobbers. Depending on what you are doing as a jobber in the Web3. So go to your ChatGPT. Some of you are jobbers, some of you are marketing managers. That is based on the job you are doing. So some of you are just gamers in the Web3 space. Some of you just create decentralized autonomous organization. That's the DAOs, So to get a short caption for what me I'm actually doing, I'm a community manager, which everyone knows. I manage communities and I manage social media as influencer social media accounts. So I'll show you how to create a very short, nice caption for it now. Give me 10 captions for my X banner about managing community. Don't mention the word community manager and emphasize on growth. Organic one. This is a very good prompt. I'll get to ChatGPT to help me do that. I'll send. Yeah, the 10 organic banner caption ideas reversing growth without mentioning community manager. I don't like mentioning the word community manager as a new guy in the Web3 space like creating, because what's right on your banner will actually tell somebody what you're doing. You don't need to mention the word community manager. When somebody comes to your page and says building space, let me highlight that, and says this building space where voices grow louder together, it already shows what you're doing. This is a sign of what you are doing. You are building space where voices grow louder together. You can work on this to make it more organic. Growth isn't just numbers, it's people thriving. It already shows what you are doing. Where ideas find roots and grow into movements. This is where founders' ideas find the roots. If they meet you, you can make it into movements. Growth fueled by collaboration, trust, and connection. You already told somebody what you are doing, what you understand, that growth is fueled by collab, growth is fueled by trusting in projects, and growth is fueled by connection, connecting with people. Spaces where every voice contributes to growth and all that. Just look for the best part of that. Me, I'll be using this. Just use this for an example. Come here. This is not nice. Come to choose a good font. Choosing bold. Just work on this to make it nice. Just work on this, make it nice, make it the best version of what you like. And when you are done, you share it using this button. Download it. Come to your page, upload it. There's a good banner. You have set it up. For the profile picture, as a newbie that don't have money to take somebody to work on your PFP for you, then choose a very good PFP. This is a very good way. Go to Pinterest.com. Search it on your Chrome or any browser that is in. You see Pinterest.com. Then register if you don't have an account. I already have an account here, so I'll show you. Just go straight to what you want to do. Search for Web3 PFP. These are PFPs used in the Web3 space. If you're a guy, you can actually use this. You can actually use this. You can use this. Already fall in love with a lot of them here, but I already have a well-known PFP, which is this. I've been using it for a while now. Everybody knows me with that. So you can choose one here, and this is what you'll be using for your brand. So make the right decision of what you like. This one is a very nice one. As for a girl, I'll surely tell you to search for with PFP female. For a girl, it's better for you to use something that is sexy, You guys have high advantage in the space than guys. Sexy PFP will actually attract guys to your page when to always engage on your post, because it might not be sexy, but your PFP looks sexy and explains who you are. This is a very sexy PFP. You can choose that. Explain any of this. Just check on this, the one you love, choose it. Can then customize it to make it unique. Maybe change the background here, like mine. This yellow here was not the yellow here was not the color there. I remove it. I use the background remover too. If you are using, let me show you what I actually did. Come to your upload on banner on Canva. If you are using the Pro, you can tap on background remover. Let it do the work. The background is being removed. I can change the picture there. So I didn't like the picture there, so I changed it. The picture was another picture, so I changed it to yellow. That's a brighter picture. Can change it to this. And change it to this. Change it to whatever you like. Change it how you wanna change it. Just work on it to make it unique and make it yours. That's yours forever. Then boom, you have a profile picture. Start taking your profile picture from here. Upload it. Taking profile picture from there. Upload it here. Nice. That's a very nice setup. For your bow, some people have problem with bow. Just as you are starting, don't use this. I want to advise you to use this. Can you see this? This is my profile picture. This is my second account. My first account was banned. The account I started with was banned, so I have to create this one. And this one I was already standing well in this space. I have so many knowledge. I can actually have a lot of knowledge, not really much, but the knowledge I have is enough. I'm already working for some projects here, building with some projects, and so bullish on projects, So I will not advise you to use something like this. If you use something like this, you are doing yourself now, because when you come to here, you now have project to add here as a community manager. Where are you working? You now have place to work, and you just write community manager, blah blah blah. Somebody comes in, you just see community manager. You're not the only one writing community manager on your bar. A lot of people are writing community manager out there. So then what will you do? Look for a bar, nice bar. ChatGPT will be the one that will help you with all these things. Come to your ChatGPT. Nice. Then short bow. About community manager. Don't mention the word. Don't mention community manager. Then boom, a nice bow has been created. From the first one, I really love the first one. Even the second one is nice. Turning conversations into growth opportunities. I mean this. Turning conversations into growth opportunities. What if you are using ChatGPT well, ChatGPT always add an emoji. Don't copy the emoji. Let's say that you're doing a ChatGPT. Copy out, come in. Copy out this. See, copy that without the emoji. Can check on it. Does this make sense to you? Listen to yourself. Turning conversations into great opportunities. When somebody sees this, does it make sense to you? For me, this makes sense. Makes a whole lot of sense. If I say turning conversations into great opportunities, that means this guy is actually controlling a community where a lot of conversations are made, and you turn it into growth opportunities, making it loud, making it edge. All these conversations, this already makes sense. You can use that as a marketing manager, you can use that social media manager to get your own bow. Then copy it and upload it on your bow. Assets your Twitter account is actually set up, a lot of things, the rest of the things you can check on your settings to set it up, set your authentication to avoid ban and blocking, and all those kind of things. I'll be making a video next on how to create posts. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe on my page, like and share this video, and comment on what you want to hear next. So let's move on.